All right, guys, this is Old School Will coming at you again. This segment, we're going to talk about these illustrious entitled individuals who think they own the boat ramp. So as we go through this, I'm going to point out a few things, the do's and the don'ts. Unfortunately, these guys here, like I said, they think they're running the show. But if you ever confront something like this, don't go off the deep end. Just bear with it.
Okay, thanks. What? Oh.
Now, if you will, pay attention to the guy who's backing his boat down. He's going to be the main attraction. But the people are already in the water on the left and also the two pontoon boats on the far right. Just pay close attention to what these, but not call them morons. I can't call people morons anymore. But just pay attention to what these individuals are going to do, especially two boats right here. Okay, one quick thing. Pay attention to all the boats in the back lined up trying to get their boats out of the water, but they have to wait on these four individuals who have the dock completely tied up. Now, instead of already having their boat prepared to launch, all they have to do is get on it and go. These individuals, especially the guy in a blue shirt and the pink pants, they're going to get their boat ready while they're still hooked up on the truck and just tie everybody up. And the people behind them, it's going to take them forever to even leave the dock. Now, if you notice the couple in the pontoon boat on the right, they're preparing their boat also. They're not leaving the dock. All these people lined up ready to try to get their boats out of the water. This guy, I don't know if he's going to sell all these rubber rafts or what in the heck he's going to do. The boat behind him is going to be totally overloaded. I counted 10 or 11 people that's going to go in that little bitty thing. And let's go ahead and keep on going. Now, hopefully, you can understand why I call these entitled individuals. Look at all these folks ready to come in. They can't do a darn thing because these 4 individuals, 2 pontoon boats and two regular boats, they could care less. They're looking around and seeing all these people want to come in, but they're just taking their sweet time. If you go to a boat ramp, you should be ready to launch and get out of there. Now, so far, we're around the 15 or 20-minute mark, and he's just not letting the boat, he's taking the boat off the trailer. The guy in the blue boat is playing some kind of copyright music. That's why you hear this other music going and try to drown that out, so where we don't get tagged by YouTube on this copyright infringement business. You know, this is exactly how water rage gets started at the boat docks because of individuals like this who think they're entitled and the whole place belongs to them. Now the people in the jet ski are trying to take the jet ski out of the water and can't do it because the boat's in the way. Also, if you notice, 30 minutes later, the guy in the pontoon boat, they're just leaving. So they had the entire dock blocked, almost as long as these people here to all these rubber things. Notice the two kids on the boat coming in. Boy, those little boys know exactly what to do. One at the bow, another one at the stern, getting ready to tie that puppy off. See the guy hand off that little, look like a newborn baby. And like I said, that's going to wind up being 11 or 12 people in that boat, and no one has a life vest on. All right, folks, I hope you kind of enjoyed this one. But like I said, this is how water race starts on the in the water at the dock. So if you have a boat and you don't know what you're doing, you need to go to some classes or something to learn etiquette and how to take care and use your boat. So many times we have these people that come go down there and they don't have a clue. One of my next videos is going to be all these some of these individuals who decide to give their trucks and cars a bath because they forgot to set the parking brakes. It's it could be funny, but it's sad that people drive these things, these expensive boats, and they don't have a clue. So, so with that being said, I appreciate you watching my videos. We're well over 200 subscribers. Like I said, I'm a new channel, and hey, you guys are really making me look good out there. I really appreciate you.